Welcome to today's talk. The topic is International Day of Yoga. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. 21st June has been chosen to, why it has been chosen? Because it is the longest day of the year. I won't be going to the history, how it has started internationally, but meaning of yoga and its relevance, which is the topic of the day for 2 to 3 minutes I am going to cover. It is a physical, mental and spiritual practice which originates in India. It is observed to spread awareness among masses about the importance of yoga and its effects upon human health. Yoga is invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. Yoga Day is celebrated to commemorate a better health of the world. It celebrates the physical and spiritual prowess that yoga has brought to the world. For many people, yoga routines are a way to connect the body and mind and soul in a way that has existed for centuries. In this year, internationally, the theme of the International Day Yoga is Be with Yoga, Be at Home. Why it's relevant? There can be plenty of points can be discussed over here, but I am going to summarize in 3 points only. The first one is it's inclusive. One of the very important and paramount characteristic of human behavior, that is discrimination. It doesn't discriminate in people. People of all age groups, religions, nationalities and social backgrounds can celebrate because yoga is accessible to all. Second point which I can say is it helps you manage stress. In today's world, everyone is having a lot of stress because of different equations in the life. And it is scientifically proven that it helps you to reduce the stress. Third point if I had to say, I'll say practicing yoga is healthy. There is no surprise. When you practice yoga in your daily life, it relieves you from so many illnesses. Starting from your weight reduction, your anxiety reduction, stress management, illness from treatment from different kinds of and so many things. So it's very, very healthy to practice. And finally, I'll say yoga is a journey that cannot be dimmed and keeps you healthy. योग आपको स्वीकार करता है और आपको प्रदान करता है. तो मेरी आप सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि प्लीज प्रैक्टिस योगा and do not do it on 21st June of every year. Make it habit and it is going to give you very good results. Thank you. Jai Hind.